How to send pictures on Gmail on Android. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can send pictures on Gmail on your Android device. Okay, straight into it. So this is a very simple thing to be able to do. So I've just opened up the Gmail app. I've started composing an email, as you can see here. I'm just going to send an email to myself. I've put a subject in the email. I've put some text in the body of the email. Next, I would like to send a photo to somebody, so I'm going to click on the paperclip at the top of the screen. Then it says you can either attach the file or insert from Drive. I'm going to click on Attach File. Next, once I'm here, I'm just going to scroll down and find the photo that I would like to upload. So I've chosen the photo that I'd like to send. It's not a very interesting photo, but I'm just sending it to myself. And so that's been attached. Next, all I need to do is hit on the send button in the top corner, which looks a bit like a paper airplane. Hit send. It's now sending that email, which has just been sent. And as you can see, I've just received a copy of that email. So if I click on that, and here we go. I've just received that email with the photo attached. And that's all it takes to send pictures on Gmail on your Android device. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments if this works for you. Thanks for watching.